everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it is a beautiful day in Timberland Ridge at Nocatee. And I'm joined by Mark, and y'all know Mark because he's with Providence Homes by Bill Seller. They are one of our fabulous builders here in Nocatee. And he's going to show us this quick move-in home because guess what, guys? This neighborhood really is getting close to selling out, and with Providence Homes, when they're gone, they're gone. So Mark, thanks for having us.
No, thank you so much for coming. It's always a pleasure to meet and go over some of the houses and opportunities we have out here. This is our Ellaville plan. It's a 4.3 over 2,700 square foot, has a separate study, and as we're looking at the outside, we definitely have a 3-car garage, which gives the homeowners additional storage, which is always a premium in an active lifestyle community. Room for golf carts, room for kayaks, room for bicycles, and then you have your 2-car garage over here. There's also a nice little covered porch on the front, so if you're out there sitting, you can kind of see the kids at play, and there's a super long driveway. The way this house is built, you actually pick up a much deeper driveway than you typically would have, which is awesome for outdoor play.
That's what I noticed as we were pulling up. The driveway, everyone, honestly, you can easily fit 8 cars in that driveway. And that's important in these Nocatee neighborhoods because we want you to entertain when you move here. And this home is an entertaining home.
So as we come in, it kind of opens up into a nice, inviting, open-air gallery area. And if we kind of move toward up a little bit, we start going right into what I call a 3-way split. So you've got 2 bedrooms, a full bath. We call it a Jack and Jill bath setup.
Oh, go through that.
And
this floor plan is very popular too, and you're going to see why as Mark takes us through, because there's some little hidden gems in this particular floor plan. And also Providence Homes, you know what I love that y'all do? You utilize your space, but you also put a lot of angles in your houses, and I love that. So it's not just a square box.
Right. I think today's buyer definitely likes character. They like a little bit of old world charm with new construction, and the Ellaville really gives that buyer the sense of some architecture that you don't typically get in new construction.
Correct. And the tall ceilings, Mark, I'm noticing in these 2 bedrooms, so it does make it have a lot more space. They're really nice size, and I do love the Jack and Jill. So if you do have 2 children, or if you have one, of course, they can have that space with their buddies.
Here, let me back up really quick. I want to show this off, this space.
So Mark, what do people use in this gallery?
This is a unique item for this particular house. We call it the gallery. It gives the buyer the opportunity to have a transition as they welcome their guests. There could be artwork on the walls. I've had people put small accent tables or even upright pianos in this area. Plus it just gives you, again, an inviting invitation to the home where you get some separation between the front door and the family room.
And it really is a wide space, not always easy to see on camera.
No.
But honestly, when you come and visit Mark, that is a huge, wide space. Now look at this beautiful slider doors, just beautiful.
Here we did a nice conversion, what could be a formal dining room. We're finding a lot of today's buyers, some work from home, or they want that flex space for their kids to kind of have a play zone right then. So this area, again, it could be a dining room, but we've done this house as the study option. So you pick up an additional closet, perfect for storing unsightly things, printers, scanners, things that you don't want to see, or even toys. But you pick up that extra storage.
It's big. This is a really big, and yes, most of actually a lot of our buyers that come into the Welcome Center, they are working from their homes. So this is a great workspace, and it really is very large. Now, this is one of the gems we were talking about. So Mark's going to talk about this space and what you can use it for.
So part of the 3-way split in this particular house, we have like a guest wing, and it's parlayed with this mud room, which we've always got linen closets right next to our bathroom. So over here, we've inserted a linen closet right off the mudroom area. And then just
storage.
And the reason we're closing this door is we're going to show you one of the gems is that if you have multi-generational living, and I know you're going to show the bathroom again, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, mom, dad, whomever, they really have the privacy in this space.
And it's a bedroom big enough for a queen bed. It's about 12.5, 13 feet long. It comes
It's a huge closet.
Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe the guests won't leave. This is a very inviting room.
Yeah, in Nocatee they might not leave actually.
They might. But this is what Heather was saying. As you come in here, you've actually got a private pocket door. I'll kind of open and close this so you can see if, let's say if mom or dad or your relatives are staying, they've got access directly to an ensuite bath.
Yeah.
But there's also access from the hall if it's just an everyday hall bath. So,
So
more
this-
flexibility.
This room really is a lot of flex because if you do have that older relative living with you, Mark even said putting a desk in here, truly making it their own suite.
Sure.
And Providence Homes could easily put a door in here, he said, if you needed.
Absolutely.
But to be honest, you don't even need to. And if you don't have that older relative, what a great flex space you have right there in the storage area. Now we're getting into one of the wow factors of the Ellaville model. I love this floor plan.
Yeah, I mean, this really defines wide open living space.
Yes.
It combines the family space, which is oversized, generous, tons of natural light with the taller windows, and we have 10-foot ceilings the whole house. And when we put in the tray ceilings, as you guys see on the
Yep.
camera there, you've actually got some nice trim work, crown molding, and additional LED lights for, again, some crisp light whenever you want it. But then it opens up into one of the larger kitchens in our series of homes, and you've got just an enormous amount of storage with the cabinets. We've got a really elegant high-level quartz. It's a Calcutta quartz,
Beautiful.
which gives the home a very designer look, and then accented very nicely with a tile backsplash.
But plenty of counter space, plenty for entertaining. And Mark and I were trying to figure out, we think this, the length of this island is easily 9 feet long,
Yeah.
if not longer. So you can put beautiful chairs behind
Yeah.
it. And then also something Mark pointed out, soft closed drawers,
Yeah.
which is really nice. So if you do have young people living with you, then you know
Sure.
they're not slamming things, which
Right.
is so nice.
Definitely an advantage. But yeah, for entertaining wise, you can envision 10, 15 of your closest
easily.
friends. Everybody always congregates to the island where the food is, but this gives you the opportunity to entertain, but you know, you've got the space to do it for sure.
And let's actually show that pantry because that was
Speaking
also
of food,
something. A great walk-in pantry. So, and that's something that a lot of buyers do want. So you've got plenty of room. And Providence Homes just put in a few of their wire racks, but there's so much potential just for that beautiful
So you
pantry.
put built-ins and you can go and check
Absolutely.
it out.
Now, Mark, what's behind that door?
You know, that is a good question. I think what we're going to do, we're going to have a little surprise here in just a few minutes because that is one of the key features of this
Oh,
home.
another gem.
Another
Now,
gem.
Let's look outside real quick because one thing Mark keeps reiterating is that entertaining, bringing your friends, bringing your family together. And another great thing about this particular floor plan is this beautiful but yet long covered patio area. And it really does, it wraps around. So you can do your summer kitchen out here if you want, or your grills can almost be hidden away from this would be your great seating area. You can screen it in if you want to or not, but you also have this huge yard. And one thing about this particular Providence Homes and why you need to get this lot is it's a corner lot.
Yeah.
And to me, what a cool selling factor. I personally live on a corner lot. I love it.
Yeah, it gives you that extra space.
It does.
Kids room to play, and you know, if they want to throw a ball, you've got your own little side
You
yard
have
to enjoy.
Huge amount of yard space.
Sure.
So whether you have a dog or you
Sure.
have kids, lots and lots of space out here just on your own property. So I want to point that out.
Definitely a gorgeous day to enjoy a lot of generous outdoor living space on this particular house.
Now we get to go into the owner's suite, which goes into one of the hidden gems.
So another thing I wanted to quickly point out is one of the signatures of our homes being Energy Star, being spray foam. There's a lot of really incredible efficiency in building a cleaner, quieter, more healthy home for you. Is your independent thermostats. If you look over here, there's actually just for your master bedroom or your owner's suite, you do have your own independent thermostat. There's a total of 3 of these throughout the house for comfort.
That's
And
nice.
also efficiency, because you may want a cooler in your bedroom at night, but not have to heat and cool 2,700 square foot. You can set it as you see fit. There's another thermostat clear up on the front for the guest wing as well, so you can adjust the temperature accordingly.
Now that's a luxury that Providence
Definitely.
Homes offers,
Yeah.
and that is something I think all buyers need to know about. That to me, that's a huge selling.
And-
Smart home technology.
Technology efficiency's there, but at the end of the day, the comfort is unparalleled because you can adjust the temperature depending on what part of the home you want a certain temperature.
So what Carly just went through the sliding door, and I want to point that out because I do love that. No, it's okay, Carly. I know you already showed it, but we have a great slider right here for privacy. A beautiful shower. Love the
Got the
shower.
recessed tile floor,
Yes.
soap niche, very well appointed with some tile Stello.
2 sinks.
Got the double vanities, and this has the additional storage with the additional drawer stacks, which those come in really
Oh,
handy
those are nice.
when you're
Very
trying
nice.
to coordinate or organize your stuff.
Now we've got a huge walk-in closet.
Oh, wow.
Really, really big. You can truly customize this and make it your own. And because it's so wide, you can even put something in the very center, like a little,
Yeah,
if you need
dressing
one of those
table,
beautiful,
ottoman.
oh yeah, I was gonna say the ottoman to sit down and
Yeah.
put your shoes, but I promise you there's enough space. Okay, there's a hidden gem behind there. Something that Providence Homes years ago knocked my socks off with.
Let's see.
It's their laundry.
Laundry.
But this is what I love about it is that from the owner's suite, you can just drop the clothes in here. But remember that door that was by the pantry. What's great is if you do have the kids, they're in those two front rooms,
They have access.
they can just access it. Exactly.
Really smart architectural feature by placing the laundry room here. As busy as we are, we don't want to be running around with laundry, but you've got a nice central location convenient to the owner's suite to take care of all your laundry.
I
and it's
love
tons
that.
of space in there.
And tons of space, love the built-ins, love the sink. Because I personally use my sink, I hand wash some things. So I love that that's in here. But again, this Ellaville model is one of my favorites that Providence Homes has done.
Yeah.
Y'all have some amazing floor plans. I want to remind people, we are in Timberland Ridge at Nocatee. And Timberland Ridge is a very popular neighborhood. One of their great benefits, there are tons of trees, there are beautiful lots, and also I love the angles of all the lots. That's something, even if you're on an interior lot, it's something that always appealed to me about Timberland Ridge specifically, and also how close you are to the Nocatee Parkway. So if you do need to get out of Nocatee, because guess what, we're getting a lot bigger, so we gotta wind around, this is actually an ideal location.
Very convenient. Definitely.
Very, very convenient. So again, we're in the Ellaville model. I'm with Mark. You're gonna call him, see him today, but we're with Providence Homes by Bill Seller. And I wanna thank you for watching Walk Through Wednesday, brought to you by the Park Group. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take care.